Hey, welcome to Jonez Garage. This is episode 21. If you haven't seen already, I got a new welding table. I got it for this video because this week we're messing with the grill again. I need to modify the hood latch bracket because I want to bring the grill up and out so it fits better with the fenders. We put the grill on first because that determined how wide the fenders had to be, but now I want to bring the grill outward, so I got to modify the core and some stuff. So that's why I got this table. I just put a video yesterday, so if you haven't seen the video yet, check it out. I pretty much put the table together and kind of show you what you get with it. I got this thing from Harbor Freight, but let's get to the grill. So you can see how the grill doesn't fit perfectly. It's not flush with the fenders and the hood. So I'm going to loosen all this up so I can move it around and see what I need to do. Now that I got the grill loosened up, you see I can make this gap a lot tighter and make it fit way better. So I'm going to have to figure out how I can get the grill to stay in a position close to this. So I'm going to take some tape and then mark where it is lined up to the center mark on the core. Then I'm going to loosen up this bracket. Then I'll be able to adjust the bracket up, and then I can figure out where I need the grill to mount to on the bracket. So I loosened and then moved the bracket up and tightened it to about the height where I'm going to want the grill to be. But as you can see now, I put the grill on here, it doesn't line up to the original hole, so I need to extend those tabs. But this is where it's going to fit way nicer. I mean, I still got to move it a little bit, but see how much closer it is and tighter that gap is. I can add weld to the fender to close up this angled area more. So I need to lengthen both these. I can fill these holes in. I need to lengthen this and then drill new holes for the grill to mount to. And then down here, I have to make this a little bit. I can fill this in and then move this down so it bolts into the lower of the core. So first I'm going to mark this lower so I can make this fit. And then now I can just remove this bracket. So now I got to use my new table. This is the cleanest this thing's going to be. I haven't done nothing on it yet. So I need to extend both these tabs for that grill to fit on there. I measure the thickness at 16 gauge. So I have a piece of 16 gauge scrap. I'm going to cut it to size and I'm going to bend it on the brake over there. So I was messing around with this piece of scrap and I kind of like how this angles downward. So I'm just going to cut this piece just where this is at and use this angle I already had on here. I don't remember what this was. This is probably for making the inner quarter or something. But then I'll make another one for this side the same way this looks. So it'll be symmetrical. So I'm going to mark this off and get it cut. So I'm going to have earplugs in, so I don't know if I'm going to be yelling or not. And you guys will probably hear the air compressor kick on and stuff now. I should get the Milwaukee battery powered cutoff wheel. That'd be nice. So now that I got that one piece cut, I've got it on there with a magnet, and now it's time to put a tack on it, hold it in place, and I can manipulate it around. I got this one side done, so I'm going to grind it down, and then I'll start on the other side. Well, that's going to wrap it up for the week. Next week, we'll get this other side installed. We'll weld up these holes, get the new holes drilled, get this thing installed. So if you haven't yet, please check out my playlist, 1964 Ford Falcon Restoration Series. I got like 21 episodes now, including this one. And check out my video on this metal fab table.